Look at the quality and color in these Nautica sheets. I unboxed them here. It comes with two pillowcases, one fitted sheet, and one flat sheet. The thing I liked about them is when I put them onto the bed, they fit really well in terms of the pocket on the corners. I hate when the sheets come off. This is a 10-inch mattress that I was using, and you can see that the sheet fits really well. I had extra room there, so you could have a thicker mattress than I do, and it would still work out really well. The sheet was thick enough that it didn't seem like it was see-through at all. The color went really well, which is kind of like a blue comforter, and they felt really nice and crisp and clean. And we're using it to set up this room, which will eventually, once it's all decorated, be a coastal themed room. And the sheets seem to go really perfectly for what we're starting to achieve.